Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hong Kong style rice with preserved meat in clay pot. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to use Thai rice, which is more chewy and less mushy after cooking. Wash, then soak rice in water for 30 minutes. I prefer to use preserved duck leg, sausage, and pork. Boil a pot of water. Then blanch the duck leg first because it's the saltiest. For about 1 minute, then add the preserved pork. After 30 seconds, add the sausage. Blanch for another 30 seconds, then turn off heat and scoop out the meat. Wipe dry the meat. Cut the duck leg into pieces. Always use the rear part of knife to chop. Do not place the other hand on the chopping board while you are chopping to avoid any accidents. Chop once, then you can push to cut it through. Cut the sausage and preserved pork into slices. After 30 minutes, drain the rice really well. The rice already absorbed water into it. Clay pot is available in most Asian grocery stores. So boil water in clay pot first. Add rice when water starts to boil. Turn to medium heat. Continue cooking the rice while using a pair of chopsticks to stir. When the rice starts to bubble, turn to low heat. Place the preserved meat onto the rice. Spread out the meat. Cover and cook for 20 minutes at the lowest heat. Prepare the sauce now by mixing soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and sugar and water. Bring it to boil. After 20 minutes, turn up the heat and cook for another minute. The bottom of rice will form into a crunchy and burnt layer. Scoop out the meat from the rice. You can see the rice is already soaked with the oil from meat. Add half of the sauce into the rice, cover and cook for another 30 seconds. The rice is now ready to serve. See, this is the crunchy and delicious layer of burnt rice. Enjoy!